What we have here is Jawa chases, and like what you see is I had a little engine problem, and what started from the engine over here, just like you see, I've opened up everything right there, the tank, the rear, and what you're going to do is everything is like out in bits and pieces, wires hanging, horns, and you have the tail lamps, speedometers. You have a lot of stuff that has been kept aside. There's a suspension. So what's happening here is we're going to start fitting one by one, and like you see, I have finished servicing this portion. We removed the check nut from here, the main shaft nut from here, and we pulled this thing out, put in the new cones with the bearings, and reassembled it. Thereafter, I had a little work on this area also. This bike has been opened after, you can say it's never been opened. So what's happened is that it was in good condition, but just because of the engine, I had to reopen it, and now we are trying to put it back together, and hopefully it should be a success again. So this has been opened, like I said, after at least 30 years. Okay, so 30 years is a long time, and I got this arm and everything done up nicely, and I've done it personally. So the last thing that I did was scraped off the entire chassis bit, and with the primer and paint, we put it again in nice order. The only thing I screwed up was the nameplate here. This is the plate, like you see. So everything is covered up in black. So we need to get that out, and I'm going to start from this section. So I'll keep things aligned as much as possible for each one, so that and it's a very simple bike, so you could easily just get it moving. And let's start on this project. Here. 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 There are some slabs. That's your horn bracket, so you need a horn bracket. I'm going to skip it. Reopen on that. So that's your fork nut here. Top. Just going to keep it loose. We're not going to tighten it because we need to get the studs here. And it seems good. Just to align this piece up nicely, and you have the dome here. So when you want to reassemble, you have two sides. That is, the suspension has already been done up. I missed that portion of the video, and like you see, you have a stud here, which is going to be on the other side of the shaft, not onto the bolting side. So if you're going to put your axle from that end, that is the side that this nut is going to be there, which you will see in the coming further point of assembly. So right now I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to pull it out, and What are you placing it in? Okay. So once you keep it held really tight, we're going to use the spanner. Just got to tighten it up. So like you see, now this is going to get hard. I'm going to pull it up and it's going to be stuck there as I tighten it. Okay, so like you see, this has been pulled up, this is set in, and remember, tighten it really nicely so that it just doesn't wobble up. Going over the hook it up. I'm ready with this one. It's lining up. See that this is kept nicely. Otherwise, there's going to be a space. So pull this back out. This one back. Nicely. So let's be inside. So fit this stuff in. Just let it so that you just get it nicely. There you go. See? Got this one in, like you see, let's put it here. You got this is got to go in, okay? And this is got to sit here, and this is sitting here. See? So just let it slide in as smoothly as possible. After you right in. Slow inside. See? So a bit tight. Stuck now. And just spacing. Putting this first. So that way. So you have the lock here. See this lock? This lock has to get into the space. You hold it there. Once it sits there, let's put this nut on top. So that this top of this, right? You need to tighten this very nicely. You cannot keep it loose anyhow. So using this wrench. Like you see, I just fitted this bolt with this spacer here. This spacer had a lock which is sitting inside the other mounting. So this is your security washer, and what you're going to do is, only thing that we need to do is flip it up. So like you see, this portion over here has been clipped with the nut here, right? So this is a check nut, it doesn't really open. Like you see, I'm putting these studs in from the bottom. Now hold this center with this one. The clamps for the handle are going to be coming here, so this is going to be a temporary switch. Go. This one, two. This is the handle. That's enough. And I'm going to be pulling the cable. This the isolator cable that comes right running through this. Then you have the switch line that runs to this socket and gets up from here again. And you have the two cables, and once they're done, we'll mounting them here and be good. So let's go with this one.